Welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of landlord responsibilities: maintenance coordination. Let's explore why this is so important and how a property management team can make your life much easier. First up, picture this. Your property needs urgent repairs. With a property management company by your side, proactive strategies are put in place to detect issues early. By addressing problems before they escalate, you'll save time, money, and maintain a happier tenant base. Second, our team at Wolfnest has long-standing relationships with reliable vendors and contractors in Salt Lake City. This means you'll get top-notch service without the hassle of searching for trustworthy professionals yourself. It's all about efficiency and quality workmanship. Third on the list, emergencies don't wait for convenient times. That's why our property managers understand the importance of a swift response, day or night. With our 24/7 hotlines, your property and tenants are always taken care of promptly. Fourth, transparent communication. Effective communication is key to successful maintenance coordination. Our team ensures you're always in the loop with regular updates and progress reports. No more guessing games. You'll know exactly what's happening with your property. Lastly, budgeting and cost management. Let go of the stress of managing maintenance budgets. Our experts handle everything from repairs to upgrades, allocating funds strategically to keep your property in top condition without breaking the bank. Now you might be wondering how all of this ties back to Wolfnest. Since 2012, Wolfnest has been a trusted partner for first-time investors, accidental landlords, and DIY enthusiasts alike. No matter your investment goals, our dedicated team is here to support you every step of the way. So, why juggle maintenance coordination alone when you could have the expertise and support of Wolfnest behind you? Let's work together to keep your property thriving and your tenants happy. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can elevate your property management experience.